This baby monkey truly enjoys a nice bath with warm water. Would you consider having a monkey as a pet?
Eh,